Have you ever put your blood under a microscope? What does it look like? And did you know what your tongue looks like under a microscope? Or how does a plant get energy from the solar energy? Does it have a solar panel? Watch this video till the end to know all this, because today I'm going to tell you about the such things that you will be stunned after watching them under the microscope. Friends, in childhood, when we read about the blood in the science book, so we see blood in something like this. While we see the blood under our eyes, blood appears to us in this liquid state. Now we don't understand what the teacher is showing us. Actually, the structure of the blood is similar, but it is a microscopic picture. When you put your blood under a microscope and look like it at 400 magnification, you can see the blood cells in this cell's certain state, along with the bacteria and some other cells, and all of these are contained with the cell plasma, which appears in liquid state when you zoom it out. Friends, we have been hearing from the childhood that the plants make their energy and food from the sunlight, but how it is possible that the plants have solar plant attached to them? But actually there is no solar panel attached to them, but they work like a solar panel. When you put the leaves of a plant under a microscope and magnify it, you will see the tiny holes on the top of the leaves, and through these holes the sunlight enters inside the leaves, from which the plant makes its food. And if you break all of the leaves of the plant will be dry up. The plant would lose its system of making food from the sun's energy. Paper has been an important part of our studies. Because of this, we will not be able to complete our studies, and all the people of the world depend on the paper. But do you know what paper looks like under a microscope? If you look at the paper in the microscope, you can see some part of like dry leaves. Why is this happening? Actually, the paper is made of dry grass leaves. That's why paper under the microscope looks like this. Friends, the tongue is an important part of our body that we use to taste food and speak. Normally, tongues look like smooth and pink to the eyes, but when we viewed it through a microscope, it looks like a few sharp thorns. As it cannot be seen by the naked eye, but these thorns can be clearly seen with a microscope. In humans, these thorns are very small, but if we talk about the lines, these thorns will be seen without any microscope. Guys, if you shave, you must have noticed one thing, that if you shave with razor, your beard grows back faster. On the other side, if you shave with the help of trimmer, your beard does not grow quickly. When the razor and machine cut hair were viewed under microscope, the razor cut hair appeared to be straightened, while the machine cut hair looked like it had pulled and broken, which clearly shows that the machine destroys the upper part of the hair, and hair does not grow back very much quickly. Friends, if you like the video, subscribe the channel and share it please.